This yoga program welcomes both beginners and experienced practitioners. The program covers fundamental postures suitable for beginners. It also includes challenging flows designed for advanced students. Tadasana, or mountain pose, involves rooting the feet firmly into the ground to establish a stable base. Activating the leg muscles and lengthening the spine are key components of Tadasana. Tadasana serves as the foundational pose for all standing yoga postures, promoting balance and grounding. Downward facing dog stretches the posterior chain, including the muscles from the heels to the back. This pose strengthens the arms and legs by evenly distributing body weight. Beginners can modify the pose by bending their knees to reduce intensity. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2, strengthens the legs through isometric engagement. This posture opens the hips and chest, promoting flexibility and improved breathing. Warrior 2 cultivates concentration by requiring focused balance and body awareness. Child's pose, Balasana, is a resting posture that gently releases tension in the back and hips. In child's pose, arms can be stretched forward to lengthen the spine or rest along the body for deeper relaxation. This posture provides a gentle stretch to the lower back, hips, thighs, and ankles. The cat-cow pose is a gentle flow that warms the body and brings flexibility to the spine. This flow improves posture, balance, and coordination by synchronizing breath with movement. The cat-cow pose stimulates abdominal organs and creates emotional balance. Beginners should listen to their bodies and avoid forcing postures to prevent injury. Modifications are essential tools for adapting yoga poses to individual needs and limitations. Breath serves as a guide. Inhale to lengthen the spine, exhale to gently deepen the stretch. An energizing flow links several warrior poses, enhancing strength in legs, arms, and core. This sequence builds endurance and cultivates a sense of confidence. Smooth transitions and mindful breathing are essential components of the warrior flow. Extended triangle pose, Utthita Trikonasa, focuses on spinal extension and hip opening. Variations of the pose include placing the hand on the floor or a block for support. Proper alignment in extended triangle pose maximizes benefits and minimizes risk of injury. Half moon pose, Ardha Chandrasana, is a balancing posture that requires core engagement and stability. This pose focuses on opening the body while maintaining a stable foundation. Proper alignment and core activation are crucial for achieving balance in Ardha Chandrasana. Arm balance poses, such as crow pose, Bakasana, require specific preparation and technique. Proper hand placement is crucial for stability and balance in crow pose. Preparation exercises build the necessary strength and flexibility for crow pose. Advanced practitioners should maintain curiosity and explore new variations. Continuously challenging balance and strength is crucial for ongoing progress. Deepening the connection between breath and movement enhances overall performance. Yoga enhances physical flexibility through stretching and range of motion exercises. Yoga strengthens muscles by utilizing body weight and resistance in various poses. Yoga improves balance and posture through core engagement and body alignment. Yoga reduces stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and mental calmness. Yoga enhances concentration and body awareness through focused movements and mindful breathing. Yoga fosters a deeper connection with oneself, promoting emotional balance and inner peace. Yoga is a practice that extends beyond physical postures, integrating into daily life. Yoga provides tools for facing daily challenges with enhanced balance and clarity. The practice of yoga cultivates a sense of inner peace and mindful awareness. Beginners should start with short practice sessions to build fundamental skills. Guidance from a qualified instructor, whether online or in person, is invaluable for beginners. Patience is essential, and celebrating even small progress helps maintain motivation. Establishing a consistent yoga practice involves adhering to a regular schedule. Effective yoga practice requires attentive listening to the body's needs and limitations. Exploring various yoga styles enhances the breadth and depth of one's yoga experience. Conscious breathing forms the fundamental basis of yoga practice. Deep breathing techniques enhance the connection between breath and physical movement. Ujjayi breath, also known as victorious breath, is a specific yogic breathing technique. This video recaps the journey through yoga, encouraging viewers to explore their personal practice. Each breath and movement in yoga is a step towards greater well-being. Whether beginner or advanced, continued practice fosters enhanced physical and mental health. Viewers are encouraged to like the video if they found the guide enjoyable and motivating. Liking the video supports the creation of more content. Support helps to deepen or start a practice. Subscribing to the channel ensures access to more yoga classes and wellness tips. Activating the notification bell provides practice motivation and ensures viewers do not miss upcoming sessions. Regular updates deliver consistent wellness support and promote continuous engagement. The video encourages viewers to share their favorite yoga pose. Viewers are invited to suggest the type of yoga flow they would like to see in future videos. The video expresses anticipation for reading viewer experiences and suggestions. The gesture of Namaste represents a profound acknowledgement of shared light and respect. The phrase, "the light in me salutes the light in you," embodies the essence of interconnectedness and mutual recognition. The closing words, "see you on the mat," express anticipation for continued practice and shared experiences. Experienced yoga instructors demonstrate postures with precise movements. Beginner modifications are shown to accommodate varying skill levels. Close-ups illustrate key alignment details for each posture. Clear audio instructions guide breathing exercises. A calme voice provide consiste guidance. Soft, relaxing background music enhances the yoga practice.